Electricity is the lifeblood of our modern world. It's everywhere, powering our homes, devices, and even our transportation. But have you ever wondered what electricity actually is and how it works? In the next 3 minutes, I'll take you through the fascinating world of electricity. Hi, and today we're diving into the basics of electricity. So, let's get started. At its core, electricity is all about the movement of electrons. Everything around us is made up of atoms, and atoms consist of a nucleus with protons and neutrons surrounded by electrons. When electrons move from one atom to another, we get electricity. This flow of electrons is known as an electric current. There are two types of electric current: direct current, or DC, where electrons flow in one direction, and alternating current, or AC, where electrons switch directions back and forth. Batteries provide DC electricity, which powers many of our portable devices like phones and flashlights. On the other hand, the electricity that comes from power plants to our homes is AC, which is more efficient for long-distance transmission. But how do we actually use electricity? Let's take a simple example. A light bulb. When we connect a light bulb to a power source, electrons flow through the wire and into the bulb. Inside the bulb, the electrons encounter resistance in the filament, which heats up and produces light. This is a basic circuit. Circuits can be simple, like this one, or incredibly complex, powering everything from computers to electric cars. But where does our electricity come from? Traditionally, it's generated in power plants using fossil fuels, nuclear energy, or hydropower. Increasingly, we're turning to renewable sources like wind, solar, and geothermal energy. Renewable energy is essential for a sustainable future, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing environmental impact. In summary, electricity is the movement of electrons through a conductor, creating a current that powers our world. From simple circuits to complex power grids, understanding electricity helps us appreciate the incredible technology that shapes our daily lives.